Hi everyone, and welcome back to the IFT here in Chicago. I met a new friend, Brianna, and Brianna's going to tell us a little bit about what she does, what she's trying to accomplish here at IFT, and what she hopes to kind of get out of the next couple of days here at the show. So Brianna, welcome.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Yeah.
My name is Brianna Neff. I'm a food scientist by trade and also a consultant. So I'm here representing my wellness consultancy, BWS.
Nice.
And we specialize in functional product development in the food, beverage, and supplement sectors.
So tell us a little bit, that's a bit of a mouthful, so
Yeah.
tell us a little bit more about that. What does that mean in layman terms like me?
So when it comes to creating a finished product, we help with R&D, we help with co-man matching and commercialization, and we help with compliance. So whether it's a brand new kitchen idea and you want to make it into a finished product, we help you with the whole product innovation cycle.
From ingredients all the way to the end candy bar,
Yeah.
to the end bar.
Finished product that's sitting in the supermarket, we can help you take that recipe all the way end to the final step.
Being in the packaging space, I'm always fascinated with these things because people come to us, after they've already gone through, working with you and your
Yep.
team or whatever. Tell us, who would be that in particular or in your sweet spot? Are you looking for that mom and pop, and it's no knock, mom and pop or just start out? Give us an idea, because I've been to several trade shows from Food Evolution and some others that do have mom and pops that are just looking to launch. Who's your sweet spot? Who are you trying to kind of connect with, if you will?
That sweet spot is exactly correct. It's like CPG founders.
Perfect.
And also hospitality brands that are looking to commercialize their products. So we also, because we specialize in functional ingredients, a lot of the supplement nutraceutical world, hospitality is really interested in that right now, putting their name on it, white labeling.
You're so spot on. I've seen that trend happening.
Yeah.
So in that regard, are they coming to you after they have an idea and say, Brianna, this is what I'm trying to do? Or is this something that, you work with them from the very beginning, at the very, very start of this, to kind of put all the pieces together? Does that make sense?
Yeah, we've done both, but mostly in the beginning, the exploratory phase. They have a great idea. We help them to understand the best methods, the practicality behind their idea before we pursue it. And then all the way, we take them all the way to the end.
I was thinking about, in fact, it was a couple of years I went to, and I don't even know if there's still the trade show called NOSH.
Yeah, NOSH.
Yeah, and it was in Brooklyn, or it was in Brooklyn, or whatever it is, and I saw a lot of those small startups. It was really it was a division of, I think, a BevNet or something that they were trying to kind of go down. I don't even know if it exists, but again, what's the best way for us to share and connect our contacts with what it is that you do? Because part of what I'm trying to do here at the show is create and be valuable for you and make these connections. Now, of course, we can share this with our, what's the best way if you had your druthers, like how do we go about finding contacts for Brianna today, tomorrow, after the show, whatever it may be?
Well, I would definitely, go to our LinkedIn or our website, for example. You can always find us there and contact us there. We also have our press features and the other brands that we help to serve there, so you can understand and, what we get into and what we've done.
Well, it's so interesting, and this wasn't a loaded question, but I'm glad you brought it up, because one of the things that I've seen trending is today's decision maker, they want to be educated in advance of a call. They want to know what you do and how you do it. So if I heard you correctly, you're saying when they get to your website and you've got information about, who you've helped in the past or things that you do in particular, and I'm seeing this movement. Yes, we're standing at a trade show, but I'm really seeing a lot of decision makers that want to be educated in advance. Who did you work with in the past? Give me a case study. Give me a white paper so I know that I'm talking to the right person. Does that make sense?
Yeah, no, I find that to be very important, and that's why we actually just relaunched our website this week to include that information. So it's kind of like more than just your resume, but kind of proof of what you've done in the past and who you've taken to market.
And I love that, because that's exactly, nowadays with technology, Brianna, you can take what we glean from a show like this, and now we can use software to really dial in and find that person, which is really interesting. And in the past, we would hopefully the business cards we'd pick up at a show like this, we'd go back and hope they answer the phone. But what I'm getting at is, with technology now, and you can take somebody's business card and connect and find them socially, and then find them through different, tools that are out there.
Yep.
And again, without being that salesy kind of person, you're just reaching out and educating them about who you are and what you do. So I love it, and I love the fact that you guys just kind of launched a new website, and I hope to connect with you after the show and just. Again, anything that we can do to just kind of support each other in this, I think will be great. So I look forward to it. I'm glad you stopped by.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
You got it.